Gentlemen, we are live in Baltimore City, Maryland for the last off-road adventure of the Storm Chaser.
Spoke of wasn't when, although I wasn't there. He said I was his friend, which came as some surprise. I spoke into his eyes. I thought you died alone a long, long time ago. I know, not me. I never lost control. Your face took place with the man so.
Gotta hit it hard.
I laughed and shook his hand and made my way back home. I searched for foreign land. For years and years I roamed. I gazed a gazeless there at all the millions here. We must have died alone a long, long time ago. Who knows? Not me. We never lost control. Your face to face with the man who saw the world. Not me. We never lost control. Your face to face with the man who saw the
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The last hurrah of the Storm Chaser, 2011. Take care.